Ever seen someone shout like a storm? That's bluster, loud, threatening talk, or when the wind howls like it's angry. Bluster as a verb means to talk or act in a noisy and threatening way, to blow in stormy gusts. A commentary isn't just talking. It's breaking things down, giving opinions, or making things clearer, like a guide through the action. Commentary means a series of notes clarifying or explaining something. An expression of opinion. When something gives you chills for no clear reason, that's eerie. Strange, mysterious, and just off. Like a horror movie with no jump scare. Just vibes. Eerie means causing fear because of strangeness. Weird. Mysterious. Fidelity is all about loyalty and precision. Whether in love, friendship, or even sound quality, it's staying true and being exact. Fidelity is the state of being faithful. Accuracy in details, exactness. Meet the headstrong type. Stubborn, willful, and won't take no for an answer, even if it's obviously a bad idea. Headstrong means willful, stubborn. To pacify is to bring peace. Soothing a crying baby? Cooling down an argument? That's your inner peacemaker at work. Pacify means to make peaceful or calm. To soothe. So hungry you could eat a fridge? That's ravenous. But it's more than just hunger. It's craving satisfaction in any form. Ravenous means greedy, very hungry, eager for satisfaction. To refute is to clap back with facts. Proving someone wrong with evidence? That's not arguing. That's refuting. Refute means to prove incorrect. Remorse hits hard. It's deep regret that I wish I hadn't feeling that sticks with you like a shadow after a bad choice. Remorse is deep and painful regret for one's past misdeeds. Pangs of conscience. Too long, didn't read? Here's a synopsis, a short summary that gives you the big picture, minus the fluff. Synopsis means a brief statement giving a general view of some subject, book, etc. A summary.